Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. Today also we are going to discuss about multiplication, so which we already started in the earlier videos. So we have discussed different kind of examples like 2 digit times 2 digit, 3 digit times 2 digit, 4 digit times 2 digit, and in this video we are going to discuss about 5 digits times 2 digit. Okay, so let me explain how you will do in a conventional method. So later we will see how this concept we are going to implement in the examples. Okay, so when we are taking 5 digit times 2 digit, so the multiplier is 5 digit, so like A, B, C, D, E, and the multiplicand is 2 digit. So for example X, Y. So how we will do? So here the concept is same, only the crisscross, the number of crisscrosses are differing from one example to other example. So when you multiply, first we will get AY, BY, CY, DY, and then EY. When you multiply with the X, it is AX, BX, CX, DX, EX. Okay, so and then whatever the left and rightmost values we have, that is straight multiplication values, and the remaining values we need to do crisscross. Okay, so AY plus BX, BY plus CX, CY plus DX, and then DY plus EX. Okay, so only the number of crisscross additions we are doing, that is bit more compared to our earlier videos. Okay, so let's see that through the examples how we can implement that concept in the example. So let's consider the first question. So we need to do first straight multiplications. Okay, and then we should leave space for 4 crisscross, and then we will do the straight multiplication from our right side. 6 2s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so now we need to do crisscross. See careful. So first one I'll try to show each and every crisscross. So 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, so 18 plus 18, which is 36. And then so we need to leave 3, and then we will shift to the next two values, that is 6 7, and we will multiply with the 3 6. Okay, so 6 6 are 36, and then 7 3s are 21, this crisscross. Okay, so you need to multiply, then we need to add. So when you add, what's the value? 36 plus 21, which is 57. Okay, so write down that value, and the next again now we need to leave 3 6, and then we need to multiply 7 6 4 3. Okay, so the value is 7 6 are 42, 3 4s are 12, so which is 54. And then our next crisscross. So next let's see the next crisscross, which is 6 4s are 24 plus 6, which is 30. Okay, so now we need to apply our balancing rules. So 2 30 plus 1 31, so 3 we need to add to the 54, which is 57. Then 5 we need to add to the 57, so 57 plus 5, which is 62. Then we need to add 6 over here, so which is 42, and then 4 we need to add here, then we will get 13. So the answer is 1,322,712. so which is a big answer. Let's do the next question. 276,048 times 46. Okay, so I want to clear out all the mess, then I'll try to write down the answer. 1322712. Okay, so now let's do the next question. So straight multiplication, 4 2s are 8, 6 8s are 48. Okay, so then we need to do the cross multiplication, which is 2 6 are 12, 7 4s are 28. When we add, we'll get 40, and then we need to multiply next to 76 times 46, which is 7 6 are 42, 6 4s are 24. When we add, we will get some 66. Then we need to leave 27, then we need to consider 6 6 4 4, 6 6 are 36, and then 4 4s are 16. So 36 plus 16, so which is 52. And then we need to consider 2 more, so which is 8 4s are 32 plus 24, then it is 56. Now we need to do balancing. So 8 56 plus 4, which is 60, means 0 6 8 6 58, then 5 71 7 47 4 4 plus 8, which is 12. So the answer is 1271808. So let's do the next question. So I'll try to solve only few questions, reminding you consider it as homework, okay, because I don't think so I can finish all the questions. So while explaining and doing means it is taking a bit longer time. So let's do the next question. 6 4s are 24, and then 4 crisscross, and then 3 3s are 9. Then we need to do cross. 4 3s are 12 plus 12, which is 24, and then we need to do next cross, which is 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 6 3s are 18, 24 again. So again next cross, 9 plus 42, 9 plus 42, which is 51, and then next crisscross, which is 21 plus 18, 21 plus 18, which is 39. So now we need to do balancing. 9 39, so again we need to write down 9, 3 here, 54 4, and 5 we need to write down here, 29, again 2 we need to write down here, which is 26, again 2 we need to write down here, 26. So the answer is 266999. So let's do the next question. 3 2s are 6, and then 7 1s are 7, and we need to do the 4 crisscross, 1 2 3 4, 7 1s are 7, okay. Then we need to multiply. 7 3s are 21 plus 14, which is 35, and then next crisscross we need to leave 3, then 7 7s are 49 plus 8, which is 57, and then next one 4 7s are 2 2s are 4 7s are 28 plus 4 32, and then 14 plus 2, which is 16. So now we need to do balancing. 7 6, then 33, sorry 34, is it 34? I think 33. I wrote wrong because here the value is 32. 32 plus 1. Hope I will erase 4 and then I will write 3. Yeah, I'm doing. Okay, and then 57 plus 3 66, 6 means 41, 4, 6 plus 4 which is 10. So the answer is 1010367. So our time is up. So that's it for today. So remaining you take it as homework. So if you have any doubts, you can send me through comment box. So that's it for today's class. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.